Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome back to your class 1 EVS class. So, previous day we completed your chapter In the Sky, and yesterday I posted a offline video in your YouTube about the exercise of this chapter In the Sky. Hope you all saw the video, and if you didn't see it, then please see the video and do your exercise part. Check your answers in your copybook, and I already submitted the question of homework page in your e-portal, so hope you all did it, and otherwise if you didn't check it again in the e-portal homework page and then submit your homework. Okay, because today we will start the new chapter, Our Earth. So we have to learn about the Our Earth, right? And that's your last chapter of EVS class, and that's you almost get the syllabus of EVS. I posted it in the e-portal chat box. Please check again there in the chat box of e-portal. And I already told it that My School and Pupil at Work, those two chapters will not be held, and from 9th chapter to 17th chapter is your EVS syllabus of term 2. From the My Neighborhood to Our Earth, My Neighborhood to Our Earth, and in those chapter, among those chapter, there is two chapter, People at Work and My School. Those two chapter you have to cross it. That I already told you, right? In this, when I gave the syllabus of PT2, that time I told it. So otherwise, let's those rest of the syllabus, rest of the part of your chapter will be held in your term 2 syllabus, term 2 exam, and I already posted. Please check there. If you can't understand, you can ask me next online class. So everyone, take your book and open the page number 84, Our Earth, page number 84. That's about our Earth. You live in the Earth, right? Earth is a planet. Earth is a planet. And we all live on Earth. We all live on Earth. So that's why where we live, we have to know about that place, that planet also. So Earth is as a planet, so we have to know about this. Let's see what this boy is saying. You have to tell with me, right? So, people everywhere breathe the same air. You know, when we take breath, we get oxygen. So, every people in the earth who live in the earth, so they all breathe the same air. They all breathe the same air. Share the same seas. There are 7 seas, 7 oceans in our earth. So they all share the same seas. Then live together on the land. We are land living being, right? So we all live on the earth and on land. So we share together on the land. People everywhere. Everywhere, that means that everywhere on the earth. That's we live in India. Some people live in Nepal, Russia, America, Africa. So there are lot of places where the people live, and they breathe the same air. They share the same seas, and they share the same land on the earth, because we all human being, animals, and the trees also, we all live on earth. So again you can see we live on the earth. A globe is a model of earth. If you have a globe in your home, you can check there the name of those countries and the seas and the other things also you can check there. And here is the picture of globe. That is the picture of globe. So a globe is a model of the earth, that is the model of earth, because earth is a very huge planet and that's a one model. That's a one model. We can see that total round of the earth. Earth is round in shape. We can see in the globe also that's a round shape. It has two parts, land and water. As I told you that we live on land and we also share the seas, ocean. So there are two parts. Earth has two parts. One part is land, other part is water. And we can't live without water, right? So we live on the land and more than half of the earth is covered with water. More places covered with water, and there are little place which is covered by land only. So the rest is land. So in the earth many of places covered by water, but there are some places have land, and we all living beings live on land. And you know there are also some animals, that's aquatic animals or water animals, who lives on water, in water also. But those human beings, as we are human beings, we all live on land. So that's about earth, and we all live on land. As you know, we grow food on land as the farmer cultivate those crops. So that's about the food, our food that also grow on land. They need water also, but grow on land. We grow wheat, rice, fruits and vegetables. These things you already know, that which things we eat. We eat a lots of fruits, we like vegetables, wheat, rice and many other pulses, dals, right? So those all trees also, those are plants also. Fruits are something plants, and there are a lot of plants, flower plants, fruit plants, vegetable plants, crops. Those all are grow on the land. Those all things grow on the land. So here it is about that our earth. Okay, so we just discussed that upper side of earth, and we live on earth. Those living beings also live on earth, and also some animals, water animals, live in the water. And in earth you have to remember that there are more places covered by water. There are more places covered by water, and the rest of the part is land. Okay, and we live on land, we grow food on land, and we grow those vegetables, fruits, rice, dals, wheat, everything. So that's about our earth, and the rest of the part we will discuss on your next class. So till now you have to take a globe. If you have in your home, then take a globe and see the name of those places in those on the globe, which is already written there. You can check in the globe also. Okay everyone, so try it at your home. Read this chapter very attentively. Have a nice day and bye.